Welcome to Mrc Center, and my name is Mrc. I thought I'd better give you an introduction now that you have come to our Mrc Center website or landing page. I thought this introduction would help you who we are and what we do and what are the divisions we have and what else we do. First of all, Mrc stands for Mrc Rossi & Co. And Mrc Rossi & Co. is a public accounting firm. I'm the principal and the founder and the owner of the Mrc Rossi & Co. I'm a qualified IPA public accountant, and I've been in accounting profession from beginning of my after education in university since 1983. So it's about 35 years of experience in accounting, finance, and the financial environment. And to know more about me personally, you can go to Mrc Rossi & Co. Landing page, and there is a Mrc Rossi profile video that explains in detail who I am, what's my background, and what qualifications I have. But this introduction is about this Mrc Center. Now, at this moment, we have few divisions, and we created for each division a separate landing page so that people can click and go to the specific landing page and find the services or things that we provide. They can find it quickly. The first item, which is on the page Mrc Center, these hyperlinks of each landing pages are there. You can click on each hyperlink and it will take you to the specific landing page. The first one is Mrc Rossi & Co. and it explains to you as a public accountant what we do, the services we provide, and how you can get in touch with us and that sort of things. The next one, which is the most elaborate one, is Mrc workshops. Now, we have many workshops Australia-wide, and we have close to about just under 10 videos on this landing page explaining from the introduction and then introduction of each individual workshops, how we do it, how much does it cost, how many days are the workshops, and there are specific areas and skill sets you can acquire to do certain things. So Mrc workshop is an exciting landing page, and there are variety, and you will find one workshop will suit you if your intention is to do business, e-commerce, property development, or you want to learn the law in Australia, how to conduct yourself as a business. I'm a qualified accountant, so I advise you on every aspect of the business, from a startup to consolidation, turnaround management, restructuring, and all that information. The third one is Mrc Incubation. This is a very exciting and my favorite landing page. There's a video as Mrc Incubation video as an introduction. I want you to go and look at it and watch it. Now, what it is, very exciting. If you are a startup, doesn't matter what you want to start as a business, we take you into our incubation program, and there are a lot of things we do for you. So we provide you location, provide you the mentoring services, we provide you funds if you need funds and capital to run it, cash flow, fixed, or whatever capital your requirements are. We set you up, structure you, and we get you to the destination wherever you want to go. We call it business incubation. There are a couple of projects at the moment under our incubation. You can, if you go to Mrc Incubation's landing page, you will see the list of the programs or the projects that it's already under our incubations. And I'm very experienced and I'm very excited about this incubation program. Now, the globally incubation or acceleration of the businesses have become fashion now. No one wants to get into the business if the chance of winning and becoming successful is only 10% within 3 years. No one wants to do that. But you could improve your chances by going into incubation. I'm excited. Go to that Mrc incubation landing page and listen to the introduction video. Thirdly is Mrc e-learning. Now, this hasn't come yet. It's coming soon. There'll be an introduction video on the landing page. You can listen to it. This is in fact what it is breaking down all the knowledge, all the workshops, all the incubations, all the introductions, everything we do in our business, in any divisions we do, into segments or sections of 15 minutes blocks. And by subscribing to e-learning app, you'll be able to listen within blocks of 15 minutes, and there'll be unlimited skill sets and knowledge. And that is coming soon. So go and listen to introduction video of e-learning. Now, that doesn't mean ends here. We always come up with new ideas of educating people, with new ideas of businesses, and we will be listing probably further down in Mrc Center, and you will see the link to the landing page. So that's this way we've got unlimited expansion, and Mrc Center will be always the center of our business. And you can go to this landing page and it will tell you what we do, and you can click and go to the specific landing page. This is evolving, progressive, and we will keep adding new businesses, new links in our Mrc Center. Thank you for listening to introduction video.